New Bloomfield Wildcats versus the Eugene Eagles. Up to bat, number 21, Justice Zumbo. It's up to bat, number 21, Justice Zumbo. That's a long one. I think it's gone. Now up to bat, Sam Niedergerk. That's a shot. Back-to-back home runs. Number 21, Justice Zumbo. That's a base hit up the middle. Up to bat, number 18, Sam Niedergerk. And that's a double to center field. Ground rule double.
Go. The New Bloomfield baseball team played Eugene. The stats were not kept for the game. We know the amount of singles, doubles, and home runs equals 16. The number of singles equal the number of doubles multiplied by 2 and subtracted by 4. We also know that the sum of the doubles and home runs equal the amount of singles. How many singles, doubles, and home runs were hit in the game?
Alright, so this is how we're going to solve the equation by elimination. Our x equals singles, y equals doubles, and z equals home runs. Our three equations are x plus y plus z equals 16, x equals 2y minus 4, and x equals y plus c. And now we're going to set up our first two equations. Alright, these are our first two equations that we set up. We moved 2y over to get them all equal. And then what we're going to do is we're going to subtract all the variables so the x cancel out. And then this will be 3y plus z equals 20. And this is going to be our fourth equation. And then now we're going to set up our next two. Alright, these are our next two equations that we're setting up. We did the same thing here. We moved the variables over so they went from a positive to a negative so they would all line up. And we're going to subtract the variables again, and the x's are going to cancel out. This is going to change to addition, so negative 2y plus y is going to be a negative y, and then change addition to again, so plus z, and then negative 4. So negative y plus z equals negative 4 is going to be our fifth equation, and now we're going to set up our fourth equation over our fifth equation. Alright, these are our last two equations that we're going to set up to find y. We're going to subtract these again, and since these are equal, we can cross these out, and this would be 4y equals, this would be addition, so it would be 24, and then 24 divided by 4 is going to be 6. So we found our first variable, which is y, and that equals 6. So doubles is going to equal 6. Now we're going to find our next variable. Alright, so to find z, what we're going to do here is we plugged 6 in for y, so it would be negative 6 plus z equals negative 4, and then we're going to add it over here. So z is going to equal 2. So z, our home runs, equal 2, and now we're going to plug both of these equations in to find x. Alright, to find our last variable x, we plugged both of these in for y and z in our first equation, so x plus 6 plus 2 equals 16, and since these are like terms, we can go x plus 8 equals 16, and then subtract 8 from this side, and then x equals 8. So, since x equals 8, we had 8 singles, we had 6 doubles, and we had 2 home runs in our game.